The inspiration behind View Guide is basically from a personal experience when a friend of mine got visually impaired due to failed cataract surgery. It was really a painful and devastating moment for us all. But in that moment, I decided to pursue a career that will also contribute to the humanitarian achievement of trying to help the visually impaired. As a Black graduate entrepreneur, I will advise any Black students who want to embrace entrepreneurship, who want to start his or her own business, to really go for it. It's worthwhile, and the university will support you as they are supporting me right now. So I really encourage anyone who really wants to embrace entrepreneurship to go for it, and it is worthwhile. The Black entrepreneur that most inspired me back in the history of Black race is George Africanus. He was a great entrepreneur who started up with little and ended up being one of the great entrepreneurs in Black history. He has been a great inspiration because he was selfless in his pursuit of entrepreneurship, and he made a living for himself and also represented the Black race in general. And it's worthwhile to look up to some person like that as a motivation and inspiration for us all. My plans for next year are to move this business to the next level, to also work with great partners like the NHS, the Royal National Institute of the Blind, to also meet people who are really willing to support the visually impaired, because this is my passion and this is who I am.